DoorDash doesn't provide legitimate free orders, but it does offer credits, promotions, and referral rewards that can reduce your total cost to zero in specific situations when stacked correctly. By the end of this, you'll know how DoorDash credits actually work, where free order style promotions come from, and the exact steps to lower your order total using legitimate app features. First, understand what free really means inside DoorDash. Most zero-cost orders happen through promotions, not permanent perks. DoorDash uses limited-time credits, referral bonuses, and restaurant-specific deals to reduce checkout totals. These discounts apply at payment time, and only work if your order meets the promotion rules. What this means is simple. You're not getting unlimited free food, you're using discounts that temporarily cover the full cost of a specific order. Now, here's where these credits actually come from. Step 1 is referral rewards. DoorDash sometimes gives credits when you refer a new user who completes their first order. Those credits are added to your account balance and automatically applied at checkout if eligible. Step 2 is promotional offers inside the app. These show up in the Offers or Deals section, and can include percentage discounts or fixed dollar credits tied to specific restaurants or order sizes. Step 3 is restaurant-specific promotions. Some restaurants lower delivery fees or offer bundled deals through DoorDash to increase orders during slow hours. These deals can sometimes reduce the total cost significantly. Now here's the part most people miss. Credits and promotions don't always stack. That means even if you have multiple discounts, DoorDash usually applies them in a specific order, and some offers cancel others out depending on the terms. Another important detail is expiration. Most DoorDash credits are time-limited, so if you don't use them quickly, they disappear from your balance. So here's the realistic breakdown. Free. DoorDash orders usually come from a combination of referral credits, promotional discounts, and restaurant deals that temporarily cover the full cost of an order when conditions align. If you're trying to actually get close to a $0 order, timing matters. You need to place orders when active credits are available and apply them before checkout, so they're automatically deducted. If you want to try this now, your next step is simple. Open the DoorDash app. Go to your promotions section. Check for active credits or referral rewards, and apply them to a small order to see how much of the total gets covered. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of food delivery apps and credit systems that don't explain how their discounts actually work.